Hello, Algebra students. Mr. Lawrence here. Sorry I'm not in school today, but here's your video for tonight. Hopefully I'll be back by Friday. That cough is getting a little worse. All right, a plane flies 3,000 miles against the wind. The trip takes 6 hours. The return trip with the wind takes only 5 hours and 30 minutes. Write and solve a system of linear equations to find the speed of the plane in still air. All right, well, you guys were getting pretty good at these. We haven't done them in a couple days. Let's make sure we haven't lost it. We know that we've got a distance of 3,000 miles. This is a time. This is a time, except you can't use 5.30. That doesn't make any sense. 5 hours, 30 minutes is 5.5. Sorry about that, holding in a cough. Sorry, I guess I didn't hold it in very well. All right, so we got the speed of the plane, right? And it's going against the wind. And we have a speed minus a speed, so we need another speed. So we need the distance divided by the time, which ends up making this P minus W equals 500. Okay, and then our second equation is going to be with the wind. The distance hasn't changed, but the time has to 5.5 hours. Very important here you pay attention to that 5.5, okay? It's 30 minutes, half an hour. All right, when I checked your video quizzes from, I don't know, maybe a week or so ago, many of you had that wrong. Now, I don't know 3,000 divided by 5.5 off the top of my head, so I've got, get rid of that, 3,000 divided by 5.5. And it looks like I get a repeating decimal, 545 and 45 hundredths. All right, so I'm going to go get in draw mode here. Well, I guess it was in green. So 545 and 45 hundredths repeating. Notice I didn't round. Okay, I'm not going to round until the end of the problem. Going to use elimination to solve this system. 2p is going to equal 1,045, 45 repeating, and then I'll need to divide by 2. P is going to end up equaling, okay, where's that calculator? There it is. All right, I had to add 500 to that, right? When I added the two systems together, the two equations. And now I have to divide that number by 2, and notice I haven't done any rounding. I'm leaving those numbers in the calculator. Notice I'm not pressing clear. You guys press clear like you're crazy. I don't get it. All right. 522. You want to go to the nearest tenth, that's fine. So it looks like we're going to go 7 miles per hour. There you go. All right, that's the plane speed. Now to get the wind speed, I can take plane speed, 522, 7/10 plus W, and that's going to equal 545. Now maybe you don't want to use that one because you don't like the repeating decimal. Okay, no problem. I mean, you don't have to be afraid of it, but you don't have to use it. Oh, I apologize. I hope you're still able to listen to what's going on here. All right, just trying to get this video done, and then I'm going to go get some rest. Okay, so this would be 500, right? And so I'll subtract. And then negative W will equal negative 22 and 7/10. And then if I divide by -1, I'll get positive W. So the wind speed is, oops, not 3, pardon me. The wind speed is going to be 22 miles per hour. Okay, let's get this video done. One more problem I have planned for you. LeBron James scored 47 points one night. He made a total of 21 field goals. Some of the goals were worth 2 points. Some were worth 3 points. Write and solve a system of linear equations. Okay, first of all, I want to talk about the field goals, the shots he made. So I might have x plus y equals 21. He made x 2-pointers, y 3-pointers, total of 21 shots. Now, the 2-pointers are each worth 2, so I need 2 times the number of baskets he made. 3-pointers are worth 3, so I need 3 times the number of baskets, and that gives me points plus points, and this is going to be total points. All right, notice there's no multiplication on that last step. The way I figure out this is there are, each basket is worth 2 points. So 2 times the number of baskets will give me the points from the 2-point baskets, the value of the 2-point baskets, okay? And then the same for the 3-pointers. So that's where this equation is coming from. All right, going to go substitution on this. I think I'm going to solve for x. X is going to equal 21 minus y. So 2 times 21 minus y plus 3y is going to equal 47. Okay, going to distribute, get a 42 minus 2y plus 3y equals 47. Combine like terms, I'm going to get 42 plus y, that's going to equal 47. Subtracting 42 will tell me that y is 5, which means he made 5 3-point field goals. Okay. If you made a total of 21 shots, then I could say, well, x plus 5 equals 21. Solve for x and I'll get 16. So therefore he made 16 2-point field goals. All right, there you go. There's your 2 problems. I hope I didn't blow your eardrums out. Hopefully see you tomorrow. Mr. Laurence signing off. Have a good night, everybody.